Hey guys, it's me, back on Essentially, and today I'll be doing an action figure after a really long time, and this one's going to be a Groot figurine from the new Guardians of the Galaxy movie, which is going to release sometime in the future. And in this one specifically, I've never made a Groot like in my entire life. I should have done that, but I didn't. So I'm gonna take this opportunity while the new Groot is redesigned. The Groot has been redesigned as a swole character, so it's pretty buff guy now. So I'm going to be trying to recreate that thing with just this piece of cartridge paper I've got. So yeah, let's just jump right into it with our torso, like I always do. So we're gonna need a cylinder first. I think that's all enough. And then the next step would be, let's do the arms. Actually, yeah, let's go for the arms. Let me cut this part out. We can use this as our head. Now the arms are fairly thick, so we're gonna do this. We are going to, actually, I've got a better idea today. Let's do this. Cut this out like that, and then okay, be right back. I had to charge my laptop real quick. So yeah, what I was saying is I'm going to try a different method of making hands today, and I think this one's going to be pretty fine, so you're gonna want to watch this. So yeah, what we're going to do is take this piece of paper and we'll roll it vertically instead of horizontally like I used to all the time, like this. Because this is a swole character, we're not going to have to give him very thick muscles. It's going to be as thick as his lower arm, like that. So we get to cover up the upper part of the torso like this. And then let's see, he's got thin, not too long arms. Oh, actually he's got pretty long arms. Just realized that. So maybe around there is our elbow. Actually that's too much. So around there is our elbow. Now let's recreate that on the other side. Around there is probably our elbow. Alright, like this. So we've got our Groot's upper body almost done. So that's the upper arm all fixated. So our lower arm is going to be this big. We've got too much extras. Right, something like this. And it's not too thick, so let's shrink it down a step. Kind of like this. And once we have this part done, we basically have the upper body finished. Now we can move on to either the head or the leg, and I'm leaning towards the legs. That's going to be a quicker option. Okay, so there's our upper body. We're going to do the painting and designing at the very end, not just right from the start. That's going to be boring. So let's move on to, actually let's do the head real quick. That's going to be fast. The head's pretty simple. It's a cylinder, so let's use this entire thing like that, and then cut off like this. Right. And we're going to roll this like such. Actually bigger than that. Yes, this will do. Alright, so we've got the head as well. Now let's move on to the lower leg. Let's move on to the legs. Should we do the legs the same method as this? Okay, so let's fold the legs in half. That way we've got 2 legs now. So we're going to turn this into 2 different cylinders. This isn't going to be too hard. This one leg, pretty swole. Thighs a bit bigger if you want, because it looks pretty chubby and tiny. This is too big. Alright, those are going to be our legs, and we have our footsies right there, reusing from the upper arm. Now let's attach all these pieces together, and then we'll move on to the painting. Or should we paint it first? Let's paint this guy first. So we're going to need a... So I'll quickly do this and I'll see you when it's done. Alright, so I quickly managed to paint the entire thing. Really roughly, to be honest, but still did it. Now let's attach these pieces all together and see how they turn out together. Okay, so first up, let's put the hands on the upper body. Okay, just like that. We have our Groot pretty much done. So we have the upper body ready. And then let's put the head as well, right over there. Attached right there. Left leg on the left side. Let's do the same on the back side as well. So this is our final product, and this is how our Groot looks like in all its might. It turned out fairly nice looking. Actually, it's not focusing the cameras. Yeah, so that's our Groot figure. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next video, and share my videos. Thank you, bye bye.